Did you know that Skibladner is likely the second oldest paddle steamer in operation in the world, after Romania's Tudor Vladimirescu from 1854, which operates on the Danube? Like many other former steamships, Skibladner should be viewed as an extension of the first railroads. From the main line, Oslo-Eidsvoll, which opened in 1854, Skibladner was a link in the journey onward to Gudbrandsdalen, Österdalen, and to Bergen via Gjøvik and Valdres. Skibladner is named after Skibladner, the ship of the Norse god Freyr, the god of sun, rain, peace, and fertility. It is said to have had room for all the Aesir and could sail just as well on land as on water. And it always sailed with the wind. Snorri says that Odin had a ship called Skibladner. This ship could be folded up like a cloth and put in a pocket. Because Snorri writes about it, it is assumed that it must have been perceived as. Sailing on Lake Mjøsa with the world's oldest operational paddle steamer Skibladner is an experience. On Mjøsa's White Swan, you can enjoy salmon and strawberries while the boat glides elegantly past the cultural landscape on Norway's largest lake. It is exciting for both young and old to experience everything from the steam engine to the paddle wheel. Skibladner is, in addition to being a major attraction in the summer, a national and international cultural historical monument.